Something else you might want to think about if you want to start building links to your website is to start using low-cost or free advertising websites. So within Australia, something like Gumtree is a really good example. If you want to use these, there's nothing wrong with them, but just make sure you use the good ones. So make sure you do the research, just go and check out what they look like. If a website looks really spammy and horrible and far too many sort of paid adverts all over it, it's probably no good. But as I say, something like Gumtree is great. Now the nice thing about Gumtree is the results show up pretty well. So within Google here, I just typed in something like video camera Perth, and then you've got all the usual big players up here. But if you look at the first two results down here, they're actually both from Gumtree, not people like Camera House and Good Guys and JB Hi-Fi and all the rest of it. So as I say, if you can get links within Gumtree, if you advertise on a regular basis, that might well be worth the small expense involved.